My name is Gaichang Sui Gangmei and I'm from Manipur, and currently I'm pursuing Diploma in Culinary Arts, which is in Tedco. I joined Tedco because I want to learn all the basic knowledge of culinary arts. My experience in Tedco was really good, and the faculty members are all helpful, and I want to thank Tedco. Plus, I got the opportunity to visit Holiday Inn and Pottery Factory for industrial visit. Yes, I want to recommend Tedco for others who wants to learn about culinary arts and wants to work in hotel industry and explore.